Now the fifth question is integral of sine cube x into cos cube x. So here if you observe, the angle of sine and cos are the same. So I would suggest you to use the concept of making it sine to x and then proceed. So for that what you need to do is, if it was only sine x into sine x, I would have multiplied with 2 and divided with 2. If it was sine square into sine square, I multiply with 4 and divide with 4. Since it is sine cube, cos cube, you need to multiply with 2 cube and divide it with 2 cube, right? So having said this, what is going to happen is 1 divided by 8, I can take it out into integral of, can I write this as 2 sin x into cos x the whole cube times dx, right? So this will be equal to 1 by 8 into integral of 2 sin x cos x will basically be sin 2x the whole cube times dx, or it is basically sin cube 2x also. Let me write it in that way. So 1 by 8 into integral of sin cube 2x times dx. Now having said this, since you have sin cube, what we need to do is, we need to write it as integral of 3 sin a minus sin 3a, that is 6x the whole divided by 4. I hope you understood this. It is 3 sin of the same angle minus sin of 3 times this angle the whole divided by 4 times dx. So 4 taken out, and you will have 1 by 32 into integral of 3 sin 2x dx minus sin 6x dx, right? Integral of sin 6x dx. So what is that you are going to have? So here 3 will come out. 3 divided by 32 into integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2 minus 1 by 32 into integral of sin 6x is minus cos 6x the whole divided by 6, and you have a plus c. So what would be the final answer? It will be minus 3 cos of 2x the whole divided by 64 plus 1 divided by 192 times cos 6x plus c. So this would be the final answer.